Today's tutorial is going to teach you how to enable root access in your copy of LD Player. This video tutorial is being recorded on a laptop running Windows 10, but the given instructions can be followed for Windows 8 and Windows 7 as well. LD Player is an easy to set up and very lightweight software to emulate Android on a Windows PC. LD Player is quite a popular Android emulator to use Android apps and play Android games on PC. In addition to other handy features of LD Player, the worth mentioning ability is that this free-to-use Android emulator has a built-in option that you can use to enable root access for your copy of LD Player. LD Player does not require you to use any additional tool to root your copy of LD Player. To enable root access, go to Settings. Click on Other Settings. Find the root permission option. Tick mark Enable to enable root access. Click Save to exit settings. Restart your copy of LD Player to save the settings. After restart, use Root Checker Pro, or any other good root checking app, to verify that your copy of LD Player is rooted or not. You may find the download link in the video description box, to download the Root Checker Pro APK file. Team Simple Tutorials hope this quick tutorial has been useful and informative to you. If you think we could not explain any point properly, use the comment section to let us know. We will try our best to help you. The comments section can also be used for suggestions, questions, and feedback.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.